Welcome back, Crammers, to question 9. Avner has two fair spinners. Spinner A can land on 1, 2, or 3, and spinner B can land on 1, 2, 3, or 4. Avner multiplies the number on which spinner A lands on by the number on which spinner B lands on to find the score. Complete the table given that 7 have already been completed for you. So we can see here that we have 1 times 1 gives us 1, 2 times 1 gives us 2, so on and so forth. So we simply have to multiply spinner A with spinner B. We have 3 times 2 gives us 6, 2 times 3 gives us 6, 3 times 3 gives us 9, 2 times 4 gives us 8, and 3 times 4 gives us 12. Moving on, Avner spins spinner A once and spinner B once. Find the probability that his score is an odd number. So we can see, of all the total scores, there are 3 times 4, so it's 12. So we only have to find how many odd numbers are in these 12 chances. So we can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. 4 over 12. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.